I'm back. I finally figured out what was wrong with my audio. I just realized that my camera records audio at the same time my mic does. So sounds was overlapping. More importantly, is get back into the important parts. If you were gone, or you didn't know, I was away in the middle of nowhere for like 3 fucking days. I was out camping. Yes, I know. Black people camp. It was a pretty interesting experience. I did get some pictures and some good footage from that little experience there. It definitely was quite an experience. We're gonna dive into that, you know. This is your first time camping. Little word of wise. Just a little something important. Don't camp in a fucking desert. I should have put that footage somewhere. Donna? Did you edit the footage I gave you earlier? Why not? Man, fuck. Yeah, it was a pretty enjoyable experience, I do have to say. You know, getting out there in the wilderness, seeing things, smelling things, looking at things. The drive there wasn't too bad. We were located in what was called Crawdad Cove. It's a little nestled spot. Water. Pretty sure the biggest source of water out there. And with the deserts come heat and cold. So the daytime wasn't too pleasant. Nighttime definitely wasn't fucking pleasant. But during the afternoon, wasn't bad. Wasn't too bad. Being there was great. You know, we had a pretty okay spot. We wanted to get a spot that was at least close to the water. We couldn't get it because more people were out there before us. We kind of got there a little late, so we kind of had an overview spot. We had to walk quite a bit to even get to the water to go fishing. It sucked. Then it wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't too bad, but it wasn't good either. The worst part, one of the worst parts, whatever we had that was called a toilet wasn't a toilet. I was a Rubik's Cube with a hole on top of it, and the toilet bowl wasn't that deep. I didn't get no pictures of that. I didn't want pictures of that. I'm pretty sure you didn't want pictures of that. Unless that was the first challenge, using that box of a toilet. It was a square white box. The top was damn near this thick, and the bottom was 2 of them stacked together, and the top was where the water sat, and the bottom where everything else was. I tried so hard not to use that toilet. And then after the first day, night fell. Night was a disaster through many ways for everybody else. Not for me though. Not for me though. I had blankets. I had blankets and a fucking blanket. So I was pretty much set. I wasn't finna freeze. You know, next day, everybody woke up, got our tents done, and everything else done. Everything kind of seemed like it was going well. It was. The tents, everyone was running around. We were trying to find a way to get to the water in the best spots possible. Because everybody was there. You know, everybody wants to flock somewhere. Luckily, they definitely kept their distance. So it wasn't no social distancing issues anyway. I believe after like the second night, you know, we did what most campers do. You know, we pitched a firewood. I wouldn't call that fire. What we used was not firewood. I don't know what it was, but it was moist and loose in the shape of a long log. The shit wasn't firewood. Nah. We definitely got in there. We got some s'mores and some weenies going. So that was a pretty good experience. Got some footage for that too. Got some good all those things. Sunsets, yeah, those things. Those are pretty good as well. Hopefully Margaret can do what I paid her to do. Put those in the video. And I think about the third night, we frankly had enough. I know I did. I wanted to get back to proper airflow and air condition and a real toilet. So yeah, I definitely was ready to go by night 3. So we wrapped everything up. Everybody was dirty. Everybody was hurting. I couldn't sleep on the air mattress no more. I didn't want to look at that Rubik's toilet ever again in my life. Everything. And we left. Trail back was pretty great. Well, we finally get back home. As you can probably see, all my blankets and stuff was just thrown in one direction. I'll probably sort that out later. But coming back, I took about 3 naps after we got home. Otherwise, this video would have been done a long time ago. Oh, the energy definitely was not there. The desert kind of took its toll, but it was, at least I got out of the house. At least I can say that. And everybody else and their fun. It wasn't too much of a long video. That's kind of where I was for the last 2 or 3 days. Now I'm back. I fixed my camera dilemma, I hope, and I've also fixed my audio. I feel like I fixed my audio. So, go back to doing what I regularly been doing. Fucking nothing. If you give it a like and show your appreciation if you did enjoy it, comment below and subscribe to help the algorithm so this video can be seen by other people, or myself and get seen by other people. That's about it. Oh, I got a new sock.